Here's an easy step-by-step guide to printing at Office Depot using their self-service printer. First is to start the process. Approach the printer and choose one of four options: copy, scan, print, or fax. In this case, we want to print, so choose print. Second is to choose a payment method. Options include credit or debit cards, Office Depot gift cards, or store purchasing cards. Click Continue to approve a temporary $5 hold. Insert your card. After hearing a beep, click Continue and approve the $75 limit. Enter your membership phone number or click OK if you don't have one. Click Continue or skip to proceed. So, number 4 is to choose your print source. First is to log in, use your account credentials if needed. Second, insert USB. Plug your USB device into the port. Third option is to send email. Send your document to Office Depot at printme.com. You'll receive a response email with a release code. Enter the code at the printer to retrieve your file. Next is to adjust your print settings. Choose options such as black and white or color, single or double-sided, paper size, and additional features like staples or hole punch. Set the desired quantity for your prints. Once settings are confirmed, click Print to start the job. Wait for your prints to finish and collect them from the output tray.